to the topic on injecting services into components and other services. In this session, we'll explore how to inject services into components and other services in Angular. Dependency injection plays a vital role in managing service instances and making them available throughout the application. 1. Injecting services into components. To use a service within a component, you need to inject it into the component's constructor. Angular's dependency injection system will automatically provide an instance of the service when the component is created. This allows the component to access and utilize the functionality provided by the injected service. 2. Providing services in the root module. To ensure that the same instance of a service is available throughout the application, you can provide the service in the root module, pay module, by adding it to the provider's array. This makes the service a singleton, meaning it will be shared across all components and services that inject it. 3. Injecting services into other services. Services can also depend on other services. To inject one service into another, you can use constructor injection just like you do with components. This allows you to create a chain of services that collaborate to provide various functionalities to the application. 4. Optional and skip self injectors. In some scenarios, you may want to control how dependency injection works within a component or service. Angular provides two special injectors: optional and skip self. Optional, when you add optional line decorator before the injected service. Angular won't throw an error if the service is not available. Instead, it will set the injected service to null. This can be useful for providing fallback behavior in case the service is missing. Skip self. The skip self decorator tells Angular to start searching for the service from the parent injector, skipping the current component or services injector. This can be handy when you have nested components with different instances of the same service and want to access a specific instance. Summary: injecting services into components and other services is a fundamental aspect of Angular's dependency injection mechanism. By injecting services, you can easily access and utilize shared functionalities throughout your application. Understanding how to provide services at different levels and inject them correctly is essential for building maintainable and scalable Angular applications. In the next chapter, we'll dive deeper into more advanced Angular topics to further enhance your development skills.